I recommend Dr. Ballard because he is the best of the best. They say the Marines are the best of the best. Well, Dr. Ballard is the best of the best as far as orthopedics go. He is. He truly is. I was very afraid of having my knee replaced. I was terrified. Dr. Ballard made me feel comfortable. He was confident that we could fix this. He told me that when I was ready to have it replaced, then he would replace it. And when I was ready, and I couldn't deal with the pain anymore, I had the surgery there in Oregon City. And quite a few years later, I started experiencing severe pain in my right knee. I thought maybe I'd pulled something. I was fearful again because then I'm going to have another knee replaced. I called up, I made the appointment. I said, I'm ready. I got to go to OSI. That was an amazing experience right there. A day experience of having a knee replacement and staying in a hotel overnight. The whole group there gives you peace of mind, or at least they gave me peace of mind because I was very fearful. My first impression of Dr. Ballard was his compassion, his understanding for others. For me as a patient, he wasn't the type of doctor who's demanding that you have to do this right now. He doesn't intimidate you. He has the best bedside manner I think I've ever seen of a doctor. And that helps me mentally, physically, emotionally to help give peace of mind and make me feel safe. He encouraged me to become part of a program where they do the physical therapy with the iPhone watch. I didn't have to go to the hospital to go to physical therapy. And my recovery was, I think, so much quicker than if I would have been going to a physical therapist. As far as Rock goes, he has amazing coworkers. They are a fantastic team there. I feel confident that they're going to be able to handle whatever issues come our way. And all the nurses there and their front office staff, they're so kind, they're so compassionate. Before I had my knee surgeries, it was extremely difficult. Our main living quarters on our home is upstairs. So no matter what, you have to go up the stairs and you have to go down the stairs. I couldn't do it because of the pain in my knees. Getting up and down into my truck, where before I would have to go onto a step stool a lot of times. And now I can go onto the step into the truck. And I'm not afraid that my knees are gonna fall apart. And I can sleep better at night because the pain isn't there. I'm not icing them all the time, which is amazing. I can go into my rose garden now, where I couldn't before. And that was difficult for me. Being able to stand for longer periods of time, where before I couldn't stand, I had to sit down. And that was hard with my grandchildren because my grandchildren, they're active, they want to see things, they want to do things. The knee pain is gone, and that right there in itself is amazing. He's the best of the best. You can't go wrong with him. And if anybody can do it, he can do it. I just can't recommend him enough. It just, go get your knees fixed. That's all there is to it. Don't put it off.